Hello SmartThings people, hope you guys are well. Today we are going to learn about the SmartThings security system. The SmartThing is basically a hub for the Zigbee Z-Wave devices, and when you have the motion sensors and other door sensors, window sensors connected with it, you can create a whole advanced security system in your house. So that will send the notification by default on the SmartThings Hub, but you have to do a little bit extra step to get the calls like actually security system. So say when you have the security system set as arm on the SmartThings application and any motion detected or windows or door sensor open during that time, you can select it to make your call on your mobile phone via Twilio. Twilio is basically a third-party API-based calling and SMS system. So you can set either SMS or call. But say for now, we're going to learn about the how to get the call when intruder detected in your house. So yeah, let's start. You need a few things set up first for the making this happen. So basically it's not the plain SmartThings Hub system, but you have to have the webCoRE system installed on your SmartThings Hub. If you don't have that, you can find a lot of videos on the YouTube for that one, but if not, maybe I'll make one video in future for how to install the webCoRE on SmartThings Hub and get this dashboard working for you. So this is the webCoRE. Basically it's code based system, and another thing you need is the Pipedream, and third one is the Twilio account. So you have to have the Twilio phone number. I assume you have the webCoRE install and Twilio account as well. So I can guide you how to go through with this Pipedream. Pipedream is a new for me as well, so I'm trying this first time. If you go to the pipedream.com/pricing, you can see the pricing. They have the free account version as well. There's up to 10,000 invocations. So what they say is what are the invocations? Pipedream count and invocations each time a workflow or event source is triggered by an incoming event. And they have the example for example, if you send an HTTP request to a workflow with 5 steps, Pipedream will count that is as one invocation. So I think 10,000 is more than enough, because this one's going to make the call occasionally, right? So when you're going out, you activate the security system, and if any motion sensor or window door sensor get activated, it will send you the call, and that is with the static message. So let's say the what's the workflow in the Pipedream. So let's go, I have the one account created here. Sorry, I mean one webhook workflow created here. But you have to first connect your Twilio account, and it's pretty simple. You just connect an app, find the Twilio, and you have to get from your Twilio dashboard your SID, secret and account SID. So basically when you hit the SID and secrets, that is connected in they have this information here. So you can find pretty much on the Twilio main dashboard. Let me know if you guys are in the trouble to find these things, but it's kind of like secret and account. It's on the dashboard of the Twilio. So I have that connected, and it says screen healthy, so it is connected. Now I'm going to go first for the workflow, right? And I'm creating the new workflow. We need the webhook for this one, so HTTP webhook. I have created one webhook, so let's say you get the new request. Just keep this basic information as it is, and you just have to name it. So say SmartThings Twilio or HTTP webhook, whatever you want to name it, and create source. So once you do that, it will give you these things. This is the main URL. So you can get this URL, and it is just listening this HTTP request. But you have to add the another workflow to make the Twilio call on your account, right? So basically you have to go and get the Twilio and make a phone call. Now when you are here, you can see Twilio from here. If not, then you have to connect it from there. Now it's in structure mode. So this is the from number. From number is like your Twilio number. You can find in your Twilio dashboard if you have the one number purchased from that one. Basically, it costs you like $1 for one number, right? I get this number that is found from my account, and I'll make the call to my mobile number. So I just enter my mobile number, and this is the text to speech kind of service from the Twilio. So what you can type is kind of like, say I want to type, someone is in the house, please check your security camera, right? This is going to speak by the automated voice coordinators on the by the Twilio on your phone when that rings. So just save it and deploy it. Now what you have to do is go to the webCoRE, and you have to go to the make the piston, which is the system in here, create the blank piston, and I just give it a name. Author's name and the piston name like SmartThings to Twilio call. If you want to backup, just turn it on. I'll skip it as it is. Just hit the create button, and you will see this basic format. So it's basically pretty much easy. Like you can just click and connect like what actions or what kind of you want to add. Like, so I want to add like add an if, add a condition. So I want to condition these things into the actual, like when it is giving you a call. So say you have the security system arm, can show you exactly what I want to do. There is a one problem here. So I have sorted out that thing with the some custom virtual button. Let me show you how it works. So what I have to do is I have to create the virtual switch for arming the security system. So you can see here, that is my security system in SmartThings Hub, and it is this arm. I created this virtual switch called armed away, and basically going to create, because this part, the SmartThings Home Monitor part, when you arm that one, and this one have this system like say virtual devices, and it does say smart home monitor status, but it is not working and it is not connected. So what you have to do is like create the virtual switch. So if I arm this one, it will automatically turn on the switch for the armed away, okay, and if I disarm that, it will just turn off that switch. So I basically built, if I arm that one, this switch, virtual switch getting turned on and device getting triggered for the Twilio call actually. So go back to the physical device. So first of all, we have to add the condition physical device. If say armed away, that is the switch, with any interaction is changed to is equal to on, and another condition is physical device SmartThings motion sensor motion changes to from triggers active, add it. Then you have to add the action is you have to go and current event device, select that, and based on that one it will ask you to send the HTTP request. You have to find it from here, make a web request, and then you have to get the that Pipedream URL, right? Because we are not posting anything here, I think it should be fine. So go back, copy this URL and go back to webCoRE and paste it and add it. Now hit the save button. So your flow is set. I can show you my motion sensor as well. This is my motion sensor. If I turn it like motion detected, it's disarmed, it's doing nothing, so you won't get any call. Let's wait till this getting cleared, and you can see, let me turn alarm system on and this switch turned on. Now if motion detected, I'll get the calls shortly. You can see that it says motion detected. So this is the call from my Twilio number. If answer that, what does it say? See that.
Someone in the house. Please check the security camera.
See, that is the things. And you can refresh this page here. Let me disarm this. Dismiss the message. Also, yeah, you have to just disarm that system, and when it's recording the motion again, it's not sending you any call. It doesn't call you or anything. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you very much guys for watching my video.